Hello guys, in today's video we are going to learn how to use a server module on Arduino Uno. So let's quickly log into our Tinkercad at tinkercad.com. Then in our previous video we worked on building an LED tracer. So I've deleted the file, so we are going to same file, we are going to erase everything which I've done before now. So we click and drop the necessary components we need, like Arduino Uno development board. Then we'll pick our server motor. So next thing we need to link our circuit. We need to create a circuit by selecting the wire to. So which we are going to use color code black will be used for the ground. Then so ground from server motor is going to ground to the Arduino board. Then the positive terminal of server motor will go to 3.3 volts of the Arduino Uno board. Then the sense pin of the server motor, we can connect them to pin 9, any pin. You can connect them to any digital pin. You can connect them to any digital pin. On my case, let's use pin 9. So we are going to use pin 9. Maybe okay. Though we can use any pin, but I think I will prefer pin 9. Okay, first and first, we'll quickly open our Arduino code and go to examples. Then we are going to select server motor. I think okay. We'll select a server. So try and find server. Okay, server. Then we are going to use swipe code. So what we're going to do, immediately you click it, it's going to open a new page, a new tab. Then what we'll do is we are going to copy the code there and paste it to. So okay, let me quickly let's zoom so that the environment will be bold. So we are copying, which control A you light and control C you copy. Then we come to here the Arduino code and select text. Then erase this text and um, we paste it here. So let me quickly explain how the code is. So the servo, say there's a comment already on our code. So the integer POS is pin 9, but as I said earlier, we can use any pin. We can use any digital pin, and the void loop we already know is where our code runs repeatedly, and the voice setup is where our code run once. So go through the comment on the code. You get to understand how the structure of the Arduino code is. So having understanding it, I think we can quickly do a quick test to see how server motor, if it's going to move from 0 to 180 degree and from 180 degree to 0 degree, just as our code is written. forgot we didn't connect our sense data pin, so by default we are using pin 9, as that is what is in our code. So having done that, let's simulate our project by clicking the simulation button. Yeah, as you can see, the servo motor is okay. Let me bring it closer. The servo motor is moving from 0 to 180 degree. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell for you to be notified, and don't forget to like our channels and other related video I have. So guys, for me to make more videos based on Arduino project and general electronics, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment below. Thank you.